Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Questrade have RRSP accounts? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. What is an RRSP? Before I get into the answer, let's take a quick look at what an RRSP is. An RRSP is a registered retirement savings plan. It's a tax-deferred savings account that you can use to save for retirement. RRSP contributions are tax-deductible, which means that they reduce your taxable income for the year. This can help you save a lot of money on taxes over time. Does Questrade have RRSP accounts? The answer is yes. Questrade does have RRSP accounts. Pros and cons of Questrade RRSP accounts. There are a few pros and cons to consider when deciding whether or not to open an RRSP account with Questrade. Pros. Low fees. Questrade has some of the lowest fees in the industry. Wide selection of investments. Questrade offers a wide selection of investments, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Easy to use platform. Questrade's platform is easy to use and navigate. Excellent customer service. Questrade has excellent customer service. Cons. No phone support. Questrade does not offer phone support. Limited research tools. Questrade's research tools are not as extensive as those offered by some other brokerages. Should you open an RRSP account with Questrade? Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to open an RRSP account with Questrade is up to you. If you're looking for a low-fee brokerage with a wide selection of investments and excellent customer service, Questrade may be a good option for you. However, if you need phone support or extensive research tools, you may want to consider another brokerage. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback you have. I'll see you next time.